This video is not clickbait, bro. I was on my way to work this morning. My car gone. This don't make no sense. Man, how y'all doing out there, man? It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Getting ready to bring y'all another video, man. Really, this is not a banger video. This is, yeah. So you already know what's finna go on, bro. From the thumbnail and the title, you see what's going on. So let me walk y'all through this process real quick, right? So yesterday, I went to the store, came back, whatever. Didn't think nothing of it. Drove the Hellcat. So I'm on my way to work this morning. Hellcat's gone, right? So I'm like, maybe I parked somewhere else on another floor or whatever, right? Cause parking garage got different levels. Okay, so walk through it, see it, didn't see it. I'm like, somebody stole my car, right? So then I go back inside. So then I go down to the leasing office, right? They want me gonna sit here and tell me, well, you gotta have a police officer on duty to come pull the cameras away, right? So I said, okay, bet. Called police, got my whole report. He came over about 15 minutes later. I'm like, so we go in there. So I'm feeling, I'm trying to see the footage, see what time my car left. I got home last night and I'm getting ready to go to work in the morning. Car gone, right? So we sitting here trying to pull the film, right? She gonna come in and tell us, well, I don't have time to sit here and watch the whole film or whatnot. I got work to do. So me and the police officer look at each other. I shake my head. I'm like, bro, my $60,000 car just got stolen. My Hellcat just got stolen. Like, you gonna sit here and tell me your job that you got work to do? There's no residents that's trying to move into this apartment. So first off, what work do you got to do? You got to answer 2 emails? Them emails gonna sit there and wait, baby, because think about this. Just because the work day start at 8 o'clock, that means you ain't gonna reply to them emails at 8:01. So I'm already off the rip, and I'm already heated with her, bro, already. So me and the police, we walk outside, and he gives me a report and different things like that. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let me just go upstairs and try to cool off and whatnot, man. So I walk through the parking garage again looking for my car, right? Just knowing that this is not real, bro. Somebody came through and scooped my Hellcat, bro. And I'm really mad, bro, because the first thing off the rip, bro, as y'all know, y'all been following the tube, y'all been following the gram. I've been saving my money I saved my money for a whole year, bro, to get into this Hellcat, bro. Did everything the correct way to get into this Hellcat and only have my dream car for a year, 13 months, 14 months at that, and you gonna come and steal from me, man? It's crazy, bro. And I know y'all watching this video too, because my YouTube name is all over the car. Everybody know what the car look like in Dallas, bro. So come on, bro. Y'all out here really doing that, bro. Crazy, fam. To come steal you can steal my Hellcat, bro. You can easily do what I did, work your butt off, and go get you one too, but you decide to take the easy road out and get a felony for stealing the Hellcat? For what? Bro, it's a material thing. You came out here and stole a material thing to get a quick come up on some money to do what? What are you gonna do? Oh, man, it really don't make no sense, man. Really don't make no sense. I'm fed up with apartments. Then I'm fed up with the more, it's gotta be more than one dude who stole the Hellcat off the rip, bro. So I'm fed up with y'all too, man. And let alone, then I went to think about all the stuff I got in my car, bro. I got some serious stuff in that car, material-wise, money-wise, and everything, bro. Let me run it down for y'all, just in case this is y'all first time seeing this video, because it might go viral, it might not. It is what it is, bro. But let me know. I had a 2017 Dodge Charger Hellcat, bro. I had my custom lights done. Had a custom badge in the front. I had, what else I had? My door seal light, custom Hellcat slick on the floor. Only 2 people in the world who has those. Only 2 people in the world who has those, bro. And I'm the only person on YouTube, one person on YouTube that got all 4 of them. Got that. Got my flow lights in the inside of the car done. Got my, got a coating intake on there, bro. Had the pulley set up in the back seat, bro. Had the injectors in the back seat, bro. Had my brakes in the back seat, my jack, all my tools, and and this was really finna make y'all mad, bro. Dude and stole my son car seat out the back with the stroller in the back and his toys in the back. Now, first off, y'all done stole the car, so now I can't even get to my son, and now I ain't got no car seat to even pick my son up in, bro. Come on, man. Y'all really out here doing that, bro? Y'all sit here and jack me from my car, my son car seat car, and his stroller. So now I'm out here, a dad, no car, no car seat, no stroller, bro. Now I gotta replace all of that stuff, plus the materials things that I done bought, and I got mine sitting in here in the car in my house right now for the Charger that I can't even put on the car, cause what? I don't have a Dodge Charger anymore, bro. I'm out here wheelless, man. Wheelless, bro. Don't make no sense, bro. It's crazy how people in the world who really want to steal from other people, bro. And I just dropped a video the other day and how other races don't help each other, man. It's really coincident how I dropped that video, then the next morning my Hellcat is gone, stolen. And it really hurt me, bro, man. And I know y'all watching this video like I keep saying, bro. So, man, I hope y'all got y'all come up for this, man. But y'all also finna, if y'all get caught, when y'all get caught, because y'all will get caught, bro. God, first off, God seeing and watching y'all, bro. So y'all already know how that's gonna be, bro. You gotta go pay a visit to Luther, and you gonna burn slow in hell, bro. If you do go to jail, man, I hope you get bit over by a dude named Rob, and he real slow. You heard me? Yeah, son. Hey, bro, that's crazy, bro. That y'all really out here doing this, fam. For what? Come steal my Hellcat, bro. My Hellcat. I spent a whole year, every single day, at work, looking for cars, watching Mozzie videos, Hemi Life videos, CJ on 32s, all them YouTube tall guy reviews, organic. Who else pushing out there? Everybody that's in the Mopar world, man. I watched every single one of y'all videos from back in 2019 when I bought my car in 2020. Watched all y'all videos. Yeah, I'm about to get on. Yeah, I'm about to get on. Stacking my bread, getting this right, getting that right. Who spends a whole year looking for a car, specifically color, all this stuff? Who spends a whole year? Somebody that's really passionate about what they really want in life. I get to my dream car, only had that thing for 13 months because a fool like you, they ain't got no sense, who want to come steal my car, bro. Don't make no sense, fam, man. Hope you rot in hell, man, and burn on out, bro. This is crazy, fam. Real crazy, man. The thing about it, they stole. What really makes me mad, they stole the Hellcat, but car seat. Come on, bro. Y'all gonna steal the car, man. Y'all at least could left the car seat sitting in the parking lot in the stroller, bro. At least think about my child where I can get to him and do stuff with him, fam. Nah, I'm out of that. So now I gotta go drop another $120 on the car seat and probably another $35, $40 for a stroller, fam. Crazy, man. Make sense here and lost my Hellcat. I done worked so hard looking for a car every single day for a whole year, looking at cars, watching people videos, getting inspired by everybody to go get one, and then a year later somebody jacked me from it. Come on, bro. You really want a Charger that bad, bro? Go get one from the lot. Easy. You want to jack a car? Go jack one from the lot. Why you gonna jack somebody who worked their butt off to get to this spot and for you to set me back? But you already know how the saying go, man. A major setback for a major what? Huh? You hear me, boy? Because Jesus got me, God got me, man. And that's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. Because I'm already peed off and just out of it, bro, man. Let's help your boy Hellcat Slick get back to his Hellcat, his dream car, and also, man, hopefully I can get my car seat and my stroller back so I can go see my son, man. On the real, man. Real deal. Holy spill, bro. Make sure y'all get at me and see if any updates, bro. Anything helps. Sharing this video helps. Sharing them a picture of any of my car, what it looks like, man. Please help your boy out, man. I just hope that it's not all caught up in a chop shop right now. Man, probably is, bro. They probably already got that thing in the chop shop gone, man. But, hey, man, just out of kindness of y'all heart, man, just share this video and help your boy get back to his Hellcat. And, man, so I'm out of here.